How to make money on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can make money on Robinhood. Now there are two main ways to make money on Robinhood. The first is to buy and sell stocks or other assets at a higher price than you bought them for. This is known as capital gains. Then the second is to earn dividends on stocks you own. Dividends are payments that companies make to their shareholders out of their profits. Now some tips for making Robinhood money here. Now first, you want to do your research before you invest on any stock or other assets. It's important to understand the company and the industry it operates. This will help you make informed investment decisions. Now the second is to invest for the long term. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but it has historically trended upward over the long term. If you are investing for the long term, you're more likely to see your investment appreciate in value. The other is to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across a variety of different stocks, and when you earn dividends or capital gains, reinvest the money to buy more stocks or other assets. This will help your money grow faster over time. So hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.